I'll just give a brief about my other startup that I am working on. So Freelancer was one that I described you already. Freelancer is the one that got funded, but there is another startup that I'm working on, which is Workwill. Workwill is India's first multilingual legal blog site. So it provides information not just in English language, but also in 6 other regional languages. The idea behind this was that because essentially, as of now, a lot of legal information that is present in the market is actually only in English language. It is not even available in Hindi. So when we are talking about students like ourselves, we are able to understand English. But then when we are talking about our parents or people who are like, let's say, in tier 2 or tier 3 cities, it becomes really hard for them to understand what the legal nuances or like the legal
flagship initiatives that we started last year, that is called Vyapar. That was a business pitch competition, and I take pride in sharing that business pitch competition Vyapar was a huge success. Reason being that like most of the people who registered with Vyapar, two of them got a seed funding of rupees 10 lakhs, and 10 of the ideas, people who entered the semi-finals, they got selected till the pitching rounds before the startup Bihar. So our sole agenda and sole purpose of starting this event was to create something impactful and create something which is having a worth in the market. We are coming up with the second edition of Vyapar also very soon. Before Vyapar, we have also organized some blog writing events based on the practical aspect and practical realities of the market. So we organized a blog writing competition back in 2023. Sorry. So we organized a blog writing competition back in 2023. So most of the things that we dealt with were related to the startup community. If you guys can Google, you can check out our blog, that is cile.cnlu.ac.in. वहां पे आपको सारे ब्लॉग्स पब्लिश मिल जाएंगे जो कि आपके डे टू डे कंप्लायंस रिलेटेड क्वेरी या आईपी रिलेटेड क्वेरी को आंसर करेंगे. Before that, we have also organized compliance workshop on trademark. Trademark, I think you guys know, IP protection के लिए, brand protection के लिए कितना ज़्यादा important है. So हमने ट्रेडमार्क के ऊपर वर्कशॉप कराया था कि आप ट्रेडमार्क को प्रोसिक्यूट कैसे करोगे और ट्रेडमार्क को फाइल कैसे करोगे. बिकॉज आप जब बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते हो, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होता है कि आप अपना ट्रेडमार्क फाइल करो. बिकॉज कल को आप अगर पॉपुलर हो गए, किसी और ने कॉपी कर लिया, यू वोंट बी एबल टू क्लेम दैट. सो इट्स बिकम रियली इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप जाके अपना सबसे पहले ट्रेडमार्क फाइल कीजिए, कंपनी इनकॉर्पोरेट करिए, उसके बाद आप मार्केट में उतरो. And then we started to focus more on building flagship initiatives. And as you guys can see, the major activities includes creating a collaborative environment first of all for the startups. And so far in the last 2.5 years, we have provided consultancy to more than 40 plus startups, which is an achievement for our center. And most importantly, our center has been ranked consecutively third for the last 2.5 years, which is being an achievement for a national law university. And I take pride in sharing that we are the only national law university in whole India who is having so much dedicated incubation center right now. Other national law universities also have a incubation center, but most of the incubation centers are focusing more on providing research and assistance. However, we are focusing more on providing a 360-degree mentorship. When I say 360-degree mentorship, what do we exactly mean by that? Then, so we cater to your strategic needs, we cater to your marketing needs, we cater to your legal and incorporation related needs. In fact, recently we have also started to provide consultancy in contract drafting services. Because as you guys must know, if you are a startup founder or if you are going for a startup, first of all, you need to incorporate your company. While incorporation, that will be either done in an LLP, that's a limited liability partnership, or you will go with a partnership deed, or you will form a private limited company. For that, you need to draft your memorandum of association and article of association, right? बिकॉज आप जब मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर्स के अंदर रजिस्टर करते हो, ये सारे एसेंशियल डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो आपके कंपनी का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन होता है, दैट्स अ मैंडेट अंडर द लॉ. ठीक है. सो वी असिस्ट in drafting all these documents Second, there are particular compliances. Like if you are a startup,
doing something